For one, 5 years ago when we came over here, there's basically no tourists. There's no road, there is no restaurant or water activities. There's nothing here. But since now, we start developing all these things, and the tourist numbers just from 2 years ago is 10 times more already.
แดนสวรรค์น้ำงืมรีสอร์ทหนึ่งในแหล่งท่องเที่ยวที่มีชื่อเสียงของแขวงเวียงจันทร์ด้วยจุดเด่นของธรรมชาติที่สวยงามและวัฒนธรรมที่เก่าแก่ในเขตอ่างน้ำงืมจึงเป็นจุดดึงดูดให้มีการลงทุนอย่างมหาศาลดังที่เห็นในปัจจุบันนี้
Hello everyone, I'm Wang Chun Jie, Executive Director of Dan Sawan Hospitality Group. Currently, our Dan Sawan Hospitality Group have many ongoing projects and many completed projects. Our completed projects included the Dan Sawan Nam Nguen Resort, Dan Sawan Golf and Country Club, Dan Sawan Tour Company, Dan Sawan Vientiane Hotel, and Dan Sawan Udom Sai Hotel. And we have many projects that we have started. Dan Sawan Nam Nguen 4-star Hotel that is scheduled to be completed end of this year. We also have the 5-star Hotel that is currently what we are seeing here right now. And we are also developing the Sukhumvit Island. This is the ongoing project that is scheduled to be completed at the end of this year. But in the following years, we have plannings for underwater hotel, underwater restaurant, and on-water golf course. These are some of our future projects that we hopefully, with the support that we are able to get from our investors, from the policymakers, we are able to push through. The reason why we came over here, picked this place, and decided on proceeding with so many projects. For one, we really believe in the potential of this place environmentally and culturally. We strongly believe that with the right investor and the right people, capable people that are investing in this place, this can be an internationally recognized tourism destination. When we took over this project 5 years ago, we have 300 workers. That's 5 years from now, we have 1,400 workers. Completing this island, we will have 2,000. Our 4-star hotel, after finishing, it will move to 2,005. Our projects after 5 years, we are looking at around 5,000 workers. People that is currently staying in Ban Gen, almost all of them, they have worked for Dan Sawan. For one, 5 years ago when we came over here, there's basically no tourists. There's no road, there is no restaurant or water activities. There's nothing here. But since now, we start developing all these things, and the tourist numbers just from 2 years ago is 10 times more already. For one, we have supported the development of the regional areas. We have built a school for Ban Gen, and for the Atapur incident, we have donated, supplied almost about 1 billion kip.
ดอนสุขบุรีมีมูลค่าการลงทุนสูงกว่า 1,560 ตื้อกีบหรือประมาณ 6,000 ล้านบาทนอนในเนื้อที่ 3,000 เฮกตาร์ซึ่งมีการพัฒนาโรงแรมระดับ5 ดาวร้านอาหารวัดวาอารามพระพุทธรูปเทิงหน้าน้ำ300 องค์พระพุทธรูปเทิงดอนที่สูง300 เมตรโดยคาดว่าจะมีขนาดใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกนอกนั้นยังมีสวนสัตว์สวนผักออร์แกนิกและสิ่งอำนวยความสะดวกในอ้อมดอนทางนี้แม่นเคียงคู่กับการรักษาสิ่งแวดล้อมไว้ให้ดีที่สุด